You reject the possibility.
I reject it because I do not believe in fairy tales about chakras or energy or the power of belief. There is no such thing as spirit. We are made of matter and nothing more. You're just another tiny, momentary speck within an indifferent universe.
You think too little of yourself.
Oh, you think you see through me, do you? Well, you don't. But I see through you!
Energy center, or rather chakra meditation, is the ultimate cornerstone when it comes to the world of meditation. In my experience and understanding, it incorporates the balance between our emotional, physical, and mental well-being. There's so many facets to it, like its elements, the location of the chakras within the astral body, how to channel them through mudras, and a lot more that's fun to explore. In this video, I'm going to uncover everything that I've learned concerning energy centers in meditation, that I've always been curious about as a beginner from a practical and a theoretical perspective. My goal is to make sure that your meditation journey becomes far more easier than mine was. With that being said, let's dive right in.
What did you just do to me?
I pushed your astral form out of your physical form.
What's in that tea? Psilocybin? LSD?
It's just tea.
An astral body is a spiritual counterpart of the physical body, which exists in a separate plane or dimension. According to yogic philosophy, human beings have three separate bodies: our physical or biological, our astral, and lastly, our casual one, which together are the vehicle of the soul, or a monument that the 7 energy centers can be glued to. The astral body is said to contain prana, which is translated as vital life force energy, as well as the system of nadis, which are simply energy systems that complement prana and the 7 chakras, or 7 energy centers. The concept of astral was first philosophized by Plato, who envisioned the idea of an astral plane that contained the planetary heavens, and within that astral body is said to reside. According to Yogapedia, the astral body is associated with imagination, emotions, and desires, which it conveys to the physical body. On a final note, it's said that the astral body is the body through which humans experience dreams, visions, out-of-body experiences, and astral projection.
Who are you in this vast multiverse? Mr. Strange?
Chakras in Sanskrit are wheels which refer to the energy centers in the body. They can be thought of as spinning energy discs in our system that should remain balanced and open. Chakras can be classified as complex energy channels, as I alluded to earlier. Their idea originated in India. They are first mentioned in the Vedas ancient texts of spiritual knowledge dating back from 1500 to 1000 BC. According to Healthline, chakras correspond to bundles of nerves, and also major organs and areas in our energetic body that affect our emotional and physical well-being, with the connection of our astral body and our physical one. Chakras can be found at the base of our spine, up to the crown of our head. Some would like to say that there are up to 114 different chakras, but the most popular and referred to are the 7 main chakras, which are denoted by different colors, elements, body parts, symbols, and philosophical meanings. According to Wikipedia, the modern Western chakra system arose from multiple sources, starting in the 1880s, followed by Sir John Woodruff's 1990 book, The Serpent Power, and Charles W. Leadbeater's 1970 book, The Chakras, which introduced the 7 rainbow colors of the chakras. Psychological and other attributes, such as a wide range of supposed correspondences, are connected to other systems, such as alchemy, astrology, gemstones, homeopathy, Kabbalah, and tarot, which were added later.
He looks alright to me.
Here's a list of the 7 main chakras. The root chakra is categorized by emotions of survival, stability, ambition, and self-sufficiency. When the root chakra is out of balance, you may start to feel unstable, feeling like you lack ambition, feeling insecure and frustrated. And the opposite when your chakra is open and aligned. According to Healthline, a blocked root chakra can cause physical issues like arthritis, constipation, bladder, and colon problems. But when it's centered, you will feel a balance both physically and emotionally. The sacral chakra is based on the basic need for sexuality and, from a higher standpoint, creativity and self-worth. When the sacral chakra is out of balance, you may feel emotionally explosive and agitated by almost anything. When the chakra is aligned, you will feel a lot more vibrant, positive, and happy. From a health perspective, if the chakra is blocked according to Healthline, these issues can be seen via associated organs that correspond with urinary tract infections, lower back pain, and impotency. The solar plexus chakra is categorized by emotions like ego, aggression, and anger. The imbalance of this chakra on an emotional level could contribute in you having struggles with depression, anger, and not feeling like you're good enough due to perfectionism. And from a health perspective, digestive issues like ulcers, heartburn, eating disorders, and indigestion. By balancing this chakra, you will feel more energetic, confident, productive, and focused. The heart chakra is classified under the emotions of love, attachment, and trust. If this chakra is imbalanced, you may have to deal with having trust issues, anxiety, anger, and jealousy. From a health-related perspective, if this chakra is blocked, this could lead to issues that relate to heart problems, asthma, and weight loss. However, if this chakra is balanced and aligned, you may have feelings that relate to compassion, friendliness, and optimism. The throat chakra is associated with inspiration, healthy expression, and great communication. If you have an imbalanced chakra, you may feel timid or you may lack the ability to express your thoughts and emotions very well. From a physical standpoint, voice and throat problems as well as other problems with anything surrounding that area, such as the teeth, gums, and mouth, can indicate a blockage. When the throat chakra is balanced, it boosts creativity, positive self-expression, better constructive communication, and a sense of satisfaction. The third eye chakra is associated with intelligence, intuition, and having great insight. If this chakra is blocked, you may have feelings of non-assertiveness and the fear of failure relating to the things that you have ambition for. From a physical standpoint, problems like headaches, issues with sight, concentration, and hearing problems can arise. However, when this chakra is active, you may feel vibrant, confident, and energetic, both physically and emotionally. The crown chakra is associated with the center of spirituality and enlightenment. If this chakra is imbalanced, you may have feelings that relate to constant frustration, skepticism, and destructive feelings. From a physical perspective, the crown chakra is linked to all the organs of the body and everything else. This includes the brain and our nervous system. If it's blocked, everything will be affected. When this chakra is open and aligned, it allows for the inward flow of wisdom and brings a gift of cosmic consciousness.
Thoughts shape reality.
Meditation is a great resource when it comes to activating the chakras, because of how it has a good impact when it comes to reviving our physical, emotional, and mental health. One of meditation's perks is that it helps us to focus on the present moment. This gives us the chance to take root and gain awareness over some of our negative tendencies, so that we can clear them out and make room for better ones. Yoga mostly tailors to the physical side of activating your chakras, because of how you elevate and open up your body through movement. There are many poses that help with specific chakras. For example, the camel pose helps with balancing your heart and your throat chakra at the same time. There are also other movement-based meditations that help with opening the chakras, which are Qigong and Tai Chi. Mantras are also a great resource when it comes to activating your chakras, because they can aid as a guide or a complement when practicing yoga or meditation. You can use the mantras that relate to the Sanskrit version of the 7 chakras, a few examples being Om, and Hum. Or you can come up with your own mantras that relate to the 7 mantras, which begin with I am, I feel, or I do. I have a dedicated video on mantras that you can check out if you're interested. Practicing creative visualization is also a great way of clearing the mind from negative influences that affect your chakras. A good start is visualizing the color that resembles each of the chakras. A clear-cut example is by practicing visualization meditation by picturing the color red in your mind to help you with activating the root chakra. Another great way to help balance your chakras is eating healthier. Each of the chakras has healthy food that you can add to your diet. For example, the root chakra consists of organic food with the color red, like strawberries and cherries. Having a combination of all 7 chakra-based food types in your diet should set you on the right track. Mudras are a unique hand gesture that help activate your vital life force energy, that's also known as prana. There are about 300 of them. I have an article that I made that you can check out that's all about mudras, but for now, you can start with the ones that are connected to the 7 chakras.
This is real, this is...
The first chakra that you should work on first is the root chakra, since it's the first chakra in the sequence of the energy channels. The root chakra is based on grounding, and it's the very foundation that stands as the stepping stone to all the chakras. Think of it as your framework. There's no way you can build anything without a proper layout. The reason why I would personally suggest working on this chakra is because of how it has an impact on your emotions that relate to survival and self-efficacy. In order for you to feel happy as a person, it's important for you to feel like a very capable and independent one in most aspects of your life, if not all.
Dark places where powers older than time lie, ravenous and waiting.
The benefits of chakra meditation go as follows. Helps with anxiety issues, helps clear the mind and improve focus, increases intuition, an increase in confidence and self-esteem, increased willpower, promotes a balance when it comes to the body and the mind, improves energy levels, and finally, improves self-awareness.
Teach me.
To practice chakra meditation, be sure to go through the following steps. Find a place where you can sit comfortably that's free from distractions. Once you're settled, you can start by warming up by taking deep breaths. When you start, be sure to bring awareness to your breath. Make sure that your hands are in the right mudra based on the chakra that you're meditating for. Be sure to incorporate visualization by picturing elements or objects in the color of the chakra that you're meditating for. When your mind begins to wander, be sure to bring your awareness back with the mantra that's based on the chakra that you're meditating for. When you end your session, be sure to journal your experience. Chakra meditation can be very confusing as a beginner, at least in my experience. What's important is to not overwhelm yourself and make sure that you're taking easy steps to it. That's what's going to ensure that you're getting close to where you want to be in relation to building your experience in meditation. This is Shaun from Mind Hack. Thanks for watching.
What's this, my mantra?
It's the Wi-Fi password. We're not savages.